Hey everyone, this side Rohit Pandey, CPC certified medical coder. So guys, I'm gonna share my screen and yeah, want to tell you first that let me show you that how many videos I already complete related to anatomy. You can go to my channel, okay, and then go to the playlist. I already made a playlist of anatomy video, so you can see over there. Let me check. I already covered urinary system, integumentary system, musculoskeletal system, reproductive system, respiratory system, digestive system. Okay. And now today we are going to cover endocrine system. Here you can see. So let's start. Here you can see endocrine glands. Welcome to the Melody Talk. This side Rohit Pandey, CPC certified coder. Endocrine system. So endocrine system. What is endocrine? Endocrine, it is made up of glands that produce and secrete hormones. Endocrine system is like it is made up of glands that produce and secrete hormones. Okay. Now you can see over here endocrine system, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland. Here you can see pineal gland. Okay. Uh, Thyroid gland, thymus, thyroid gland. I already showed you thyroid gland. Here you can see pancreas. This is adrenal gland above the kidney. You can see. Now in women, you can see ovaries, and in male, you can see testes. These are like endocrine system. I mean, these are glands which produce and secrete hormones. Now, what is the functions? First, growth and development. As you know that pituitary gland is responsible for height of a human. Okay. So growth and development, tissue formation, metabolism, endocrine glands like pituitary gland, hypothalamus gland. I already showed you showed in your in pictures as well. Like pituitary gland is in brain. Okay, it is a part of brain. Pituitary gland, hypothalamus. Uh, in thalamus you can see hypothalamus as well. Pineal gland, it is also a part of brain. Thyroid gland, here you can see thyroid gland. Parathyroid gland, adrenal gland above the kidneys, pancreas, ovaries and testicles. Okay, here you can see pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, let me, okay. This is pituitary gland. Secrete many different hormones, some of which affect other glands also. That's why we call pituitary gland as master gland. Okay, master gland, master gland. Okay, that's why, because it is affect other glands also. So, okay, hypothalamus. Here you can see hypothalamus, brain region controlling the pituitary gland. Okay, that is hypothalamus. Thyroid gland affect metabolism among other things. Okay, similarly in women affect metabolism among other things. Parathyroid, you can see parathyroid help regulate level of calcium in body. Similarly in women, help regulate help regulate level of calcium in the blood. Okay, now you can see adrenal gland, both in male and female. You can see adrenal gland help trigger the fight or flight response. Okay, here you can see adrenal gland both in male and female help trigger the fight or flight response in pancreas. Like pancreas, both male and female, regulate the level of sugar in the blood. Okay, in male and female, there is I mean, endocrine which is different in both. Like ovaries in female secrete female sex hormones. Okay, and in male there are pair of testes. Okay, in female there are pair of ovaries. Okay, testes secrete male sex hormones. Now here we are learning about pituitary gland first. It is 5 gram in weight. It is 5 gram in weight and located at the base of the brain. Important part of endocrine system. And when pituitary gland does not produce produce any one or two hormones, it is called hypopituitarism. Okay, important part of endocrine system. And when pituitary gland does not produce any one or two hormones, it is called hypopituitarism. It is divided into two parts, two lobes, anterior and posterior lobes. Anterior lobe produce below hormones, gonadotropins. These are sex glands in female, stimulates the ovaries for ovulation, and in male stimulates the gonads. Thyroid stimulating hormones, it stimulates the thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine and helps, T3 and T4, and helps in the absorption of iodine. Here you can see T4 and T3, and that is the thyroid, and it stimulates T3 and T4. You can see the formula as well. Prolactin stimulates the mammary gland. Growth hormones stimulates the growth hormones. Posterior lobe produces antidiuretic hormones, ADH. Reabsorption of water and glucose balanced in blood. Now here you can see oxytocin. Oxytocin stimulates the uterus and help in milk production during delivery time for mothers. It is important. Oxytocin stimulates the uterus and helps in milk production during delivery time for mothers. Hypothalamus gland, it is a small region of the brain. I already showed you this in picture as well. It is located at the base of the brain near the pituitary gland. Here you can see that part is called hypothalamus. Function of hypothalamus: regulate hormones and body temperature. And now thyroid gland. It is the largest endocrine gland located anterior portion of the brain. It secretes thyroxine. Excess of thyroxine is in blood is known as hyperthyroidism. Okay, excess of thyroxine in blood is known as hyperthyroidism. Here you can see function. Function is like regulate and maintain the iodine in bloodstream. Parathyroid. One pair of parathyroid gland is located behind the thyroid gland. Okay, behind the thyroid gland, pair of thyroid gland present, and it release parathyroxine hormones. Here you can see it is thyroid and it is behind it. Okay, so these things are parathyroid. Functions: maintain the calcium level in the bloodstream. Okay, and maintain the electrolytes in the bloodstream. Now here you can see adrenal gland, one pair of AG located at the top of the kidney, and they secrete adrenaline and non-adrenal hormones. Okay, one pair of adrenal gland located at the top of the kidney, and they secrete adrenal gland and non-adrenal glands hormones. Sorry, function is like control blood pressure. Okay, and here you can see with pictures that it is a pair. I mean, these are pairs of one pair of kidney, and above you can see that top of the kidney you can see adrenal glands. Pancreas, it is located behind the stomach and it is mixed gland. Okay, it has two cells, alpha and beta cells. Alpha cells help in the balance of glucose. Okay, beta cells help in balance of insulin, regulates the insulin in bloodstream. As you know that if pancreas not doing work well, or not able to make insulin in right manner, so a human maybe suffer from diabetes. Okay, and at a stage when body is not releasing insulin, then we need to give insulin from the outside. Okay, to maintain the diabetes. Here you can see it is pancreas. So you know that with pictures we can easily understand, the concept. Now here's testis. As you know, it is a male part. Okay, it is penis, and that is scrotum, and one pair of testis. It is located behind the penis. Okay, they stimulate testosterone hormones and produce sperms. Okay, ovaries, one pair of ovaries located at the pelvic region. They produce estrogen and progesterone hormones. Okay, and here you can see one pair of ovary. Okay, now we come on the best part, which I'm according to me, which is which is best, because of this you can easily understand and easily break the words and easily understand that meaning of the word. Okay, so here prefix trans, meaning across. Okay, so example is like trans abdominal, across the abdomen is called trans abdominal. Okay, retro means behind or back. Retro abdominal is like behind the or back of abdomen. Retroversion. Okay, epi is like upon. Epidermis, dermis is used for skin. Upon the skin. Okay, upper layer of the skin is like epidermis. Epigastric, gastric is for stomach. Endo, within endocrine gland, within. Okay, endoscopy. Okay, so it is important. And as you know that after coming from office, I'm suffering from fever, cold and cough, but I'm doing this lecture because I just want to I just want to help those people who have some economical issues and they want to prepare for the CPC certification. Okay, so that's why I'm making these kind of videos for those who belongs to medical as well. Okay, so kindly share, subscribe my video. Okay, I'm doing so much hard work. Okay, making these PPTs and then making videos as well after coming from the office. Okay, so it is hard for me, but kindly appreciate these things. Okay, so please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, now pathology of endocrine system. Acidosis like blood pH in is below than normal. Okay, so uh, we we need to see this on Google. It will make easy. Okay, so here we can see acidosis. Acidosis occurs when acid builds up on when bicarbonate a base is lost. Okay, so acidosis is classified as either respiratory or metabolic acidosis. Respiratory acidosis develops when there is too much carbon dioxide and acid in the body. Okay, here you can see acidosis. Symptom of acidosis like central headache, sleepiness, confusion, loss of consciousness, coma. Respiratory acidosis, shortness of breath and coughing. Heart arrhythmia, increase heart rate. Gastric like nausea and vomiting. Intestinal diarrhea. Okay, muscular seizure and weakness. So acidosis occurs when acid builds up or when bicarbonate, I mean base, is lost. Okay, acidosis is classified as either respiratory or metabolic acidosis. Respiratory acidosis develops when there is too much carbon dioxide and acid in the body. Okay, so next one is acromegaly. Hypersecretion of pituitary hormones in adult leads to thickening of skull, bone, and peripheral body parts. So acromegaly. Acromegaly. Okay. So here acromegaly is a disorder that occurs when your body, okay, makes too much growth hormones produced mainly in the pituitary gland. Okay. So growth hormones control the physical growth of the body. In adult, too much of these hormones cause bone, cartilage, body organ, and other tissue to increase in size. And here you can see that how it affects the body. Okay, gigantism and acromegaly. Okay, and more picture you can see. Here you can see how face structures increase, frontal bossing, brow furrow, enlargement of base of nose, thickening of the nasolabial sulcus, thickening of the lips, paratoid uh, parotid hypertrophy, loss of oval facial features. And here you can see suffering from these things. Okay, you can see face structure as well, how you know acromegaly and gigantism people are looking like. Okay, and one more example, here you can see, okay, how it affects the body, human body. You can see over there, your I showed you. And then now we hyperlipidemia. Okay, increase of lipid level in the plasma. Hypokalemia. Hyper means increase and hypo means decrease. Decrease on K. K is potassium. So low potassium level in the blood is called hypokalemia. Hyperthyroidism, excessive amount of thyroid hormones produced. Okay. So hyper means increase and hypo means low. So kindly subscribe my channel. Okay. And one more thing I need to show you on my YouTube channel. You can go to my channel and you can see, okay, let me, here you can see membership. Okay, so you can join, you can just click that join button and you can join these medical don, medical guru, and medical rowdy thing. Okay, and Here you get a lot of things, emojis and all, and you get chance to directly chat with me, and I will make video on your demand. Okay, personal demand. Now you can see store as well. Okay, you can just buy these stickers, okay, tote bag, that mug. It is all for medical rowdies or medical coders. Here you can see CPT and my medical rowdy t-shirts. You can go and watch, and if you like it, then you can buy, and it delivers to your door. Okay, so I hope you like these videos. I think I'm not I didn't showed you, so you can join from there. You can take membership of my channel. Okay, medical don medical guru and medical rowdies. And I'm again repeating, you will get emoji as well, and these bandages, and I'll make a video on your demand, and we can easily chat with each other. And here you can see store. I already showed you, but I think I didn't share my screen at that moment. So here you can see stickers, CPT stickers, medical rowdy sticker. You can see bag, mug, and t-shirts, and for winters and for summer as well. For ladies, for any race, you can see and buy. If you like it, kindly buy it. Okay, i I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe with those who are really interested. Okay, and we are started classes for those who are really interested to take CPC, I mean preparing for CPC certification, and for those as well who need to change their specialty from others to ED and ENM. They can contact me. I just place my contact number over description, and I'm just repeating that also, 8178385424. You can contact us or you can WhatsApp us. Our team will definitely connect with you. You can ask anything related to course, fee structure, and how much classes we will give you, and it is totally online. Okay, so on which platform you will we will take classes and all, you can ask from them. Okay, thank you so much, and good night.